we have a breaking update coming in with regards to the PIL that was filed in the Supreme Court on the Pahalgam terror attack and seeking when it comes to judicial scrutiny as far as when it comes to the action that needs to be taken and with regards to the people that are residing in Jammu and Kashmir, the tourists who have been going there. However, the Supreme Court point blank has refused to entertain such petitions which sought for a judicial commission to probe the Pahalgam terror attack. And this is what the Supreme Court has to say, coming down heavily as far as the petitioners in the case is concerned, that this is the time when each and every citizen of the country has to join hands against terrorism and don't make such press. This is a rap that is coming directly from the Supreme Court to the petitioners, saying that we have not expressed any opinion, and also saying that be responsible before filing such frivolous petitions. And exactly also asking that look at the sensitivity of the issue, and this is a time when each and every citizen of the country needs to join hands when it comes to fight against terrorism and don't make such prayers. A direct message that has been given to the petitioners as well, who were seeking a judicial inquiry into the Pahalgam terror attack. The petitioners who have been slammed by the Supreme Court and has been saying that such frivolous prayers or petitions should not be filed, as it takes up the court's time, and this move was in a way will demoralize our forces, and this is something that need not happen. And of course, when it comes to the government of India and our military, our defense forces that have been given a free hand to deal with the Pahalgam terror attack and bring the perpetrators to justice. However, also saying that there is no doubt that when it comes to such an attack that has happened is painful, but this is not the time to file prayers or petitions in Supreme Court. What exactly would the Supreme Court do here is a question that has now been raised by the court. Let's get in a word from Harish now. Harish, that's the point. What could the Supreme Court have done in such a case when it comes to filing such PILs? Harish, can you hear me? If you can take us through what the Supreme Court has said. Harish is just fixing his frame so we can get a better frame and we can hear him. Harish, are you connected? Just getting that line connected with Harish, but it is important to note what the Supreme Court has said today, as it has come down heavily on those petitioners who had prayed as far as in this petition is concerned, saying that they would want and seek for a judicial probe as to the Pahalgam terror attack has now happened, and also seeking as far as protection the people, the civilians there who visit Jammu and Kashmir. The Supreme Court coming down heavily on the petitioners, saying that this is the time when each and every citizen of the country needs to join hands and fight against terrorism. Exactly the point there, Harish. What could the Supreme Court have done with regards to such petitions being filed? What did the Supreme Court say today?
Yes, in fact, the Supreme Court has refused to admit this petition, which has sought a judicial commission probe into the Pahalgam terror attack. And Justice Suryakant went on to say that this is the time to for all the countrymen to stand united against terror. And how can you say that the Supreme Court and retired Supreme Court, High Court judges can be experts in this regard, and said that we cannot entertain this petition. Remember, this petition has significantly that there should be a judicial commission to probe the intelligence failure, saying that how come such a popular tourist spot did not have a single security personnel at this spot when the incident happened, and said that there should be a direction to the center, Union Territory, CRPF and NIA, and to ensure that there is a policy guideline as far as protecting the civilians in tourist places are concerned. Supreme Court has clearly refused to interfere in this petition, saying that now we cannot entertain such a petition because now is the time when all the countrymen should stand united to fight terror. Remember, what is important is that on April 23, a day after this incident, the Supreme Court even Supreme Court judges had passed a resolution condemning the incident, saying that it is nothing but an act of cowardice And today's Supreme Court outcome is not very surprising. Now the Supreme Court has refused to entertain the petition filed by
Well, a free
Jammu
hand
Kashmir.
that is also being given to the government to deal with the issue with regards to the Pahalgam terror attack, with the Supreme Court refusing to entertain such pleas and coming down heavily on the petitioner, saying that such pleas are frivolous. But now it's a time to stay united in the wake of such terror attacks being reported. For the moment, Harish, thank you very much for joining in.